Experiencing connection issues with your VAVA Baby Monitor? First, understand the common culprits: weak Wi Fi signal, network congestion, or outdated firmware. Begin by checking your Wi Fi signal strength near the monitor using a Wi Fi analyzer app on your smartphone. Aim for at least -60 dBm for reliable performance. The Analyzer app provides a clear interface to measure signal strength. Ensure your home network has a stable internet connection with at least 5 Mbps upload-download speed. Also, rule out basic issues like IP address conflicts, which can often be resolved by simply restarting both the monitor and your router. VAVA monitors often use the 2.4 GHz band, which is prone to interference. If your monitor supports it, consider switching to the 5 GHz band for potentially better speed, but be mindful of the reduced range. Once you've diagnosed the issue, start by updating your VAVA Baby Monitor's firmware to the latest version, such as v3 2.1 for the VAUM100 model. Use the VAVA app for updates, which include optimized Wi-Fi algorithms for better connectivity. Place the monitor within 10 to 15 meters of your router, avoiding obstructions like metal objects or thick walls to ensure strong signal strength. Prioritize the monitor's network traffic by enabling Quality of Service (QoS) in your router settings to ensure stable connections. In areas with weak cellular coverage, consider using a cellular booster or enabling the monitor's LTE-compatible mode if available. If problems persist, use the VAVA app's real-time diagnostics to identify and address issues like low bandwidth or IP conflicts. VAVA reports an 85% success rate in fixing connection issues using these steps.